budget-friendly automatic pickup. Punta lang tayo sa showroom. Dito sa Mitsubishi Angeles. 2026 Mitsubishi Triton GX. Yung price, 1,430,000 pesos. Halos same lang yung design ng front fascia sa GLX. Yung headlight, halogen. Hindi to equipped ng daytime running light. Park light lang to. Wala ring fog light. May front skid plate or bash plate na metal. 16-inch alloy wheels. Naka-disc brakes sa front, drum brakes naman sa rear. Chrome yung side mirror cover. Nasa side fender nga lang yung turn signal light. Medyo mataas na rin yung ground clearance. Walang smart entry button, pero remote keyless entry pa rin naman. Check natin yung interior. Medyo malapad yung side stepboard, kaya hindi siya mahirap tapakan. Fabric seats. Manual seat adjustment sa driver. Same sa front passenger. Sa door panel, hard plastic. Hard plastic rin yung armrest. Power window switch, pero driver window lang yung automatic. Urethane or plastic steering wheel. Naka-hydraulic power steering to, kaya expect nyo na medyo mabigat. Tilt and telescopic adjust tong steering column. Analog gauge cluster with multi-info display. Rotary type ignition. Wala nga lang height adjustment tong driver seat, pero hindi naman mababa yung seating position. Pagdating sa visibility, okay naman, mataas yung ride height. Kita pa rin yung hood. Hindi rin sobrang kapal ng A-pillar, kaya less blind spot. 8-inch infotainment screen. May volume and tuning knob. Manual climate control. Ito yung dial type na maganda pa rin tignan. May 2 USB port at 12-volt socket. 6-speed automatic transmission. Manual handbrake. Hard plastic yung center armrest. Check natin yung storage. Malaki na rin yung storage space. Hindi dampen yung glove box. Walang vanity mirror yung sun visor. Same sa front passenger. Iset ko lang yung driver seat sa driving position ko. Check natin yung back seat. For reference lang, 5'7" yung height ko. Fabric seats. Sa door panel, hard plastic. Hard plastic rin yung armrest. Power window switch na hindi automatic. May grab handle sa B-pillar. Nakaset na to sa driving position ko. Yung legroom. Okay naman yung knee room, maluwag na rin. Yung foot space, makakapag-stretch ka pa. Hindi nga lang flat yung floor, pero makitid lang yung hump. Bitin lang yung foot space sa middle seat, pero yung seating position, okay lang. Walang AC vent, pero may 12-volt socket naman. Yung headroom, nasa 3 to 4 inches pa. Okay naman yung seating position, hindi siya upright or 90 degrees. Check natin yung truck bed. Simple lang yung design ng tailgate na maganda naman tignan. Yung taillight, halogen. May reverse camera. Wala nga lang parking sensor. Hindi pa to equipped ng tailgate assist, kaya expect nyo na mabigat. Malaki na rin yung space ng bed, pero wala nga lang bed liner. Check natin yung spare tire. Naka-steel rims. Check natin yung engine bay. 2.4 liter turbocharged diesel engine. Hindi na ako nakapag-test drive, pero natry ko na yung GLS variant. Maganda yung hatak ng acceleration, pati yung ride comfort, hindi siya sobrang tagtag. Palike na lang and subscribe. Paalam.